Hi, my name is Chong Mei Yong, matric number 254459, and now I'm going to present the final project for the mobile programming. And in this project, I was assigned a topic which called the My Express, and it's something like the Grab delivery. And for my part, I'm doing the admin part for the My Express applications. And My Express application is a delivery driver application for fast and reliable courier service. And this app is provide a delivery service and help to increase more income for everyone. And if someone who want to get more income, they can register the application form and log in with the email address and the password, then just using the My Express application to confirm or accept the job that posted by the customer. And then the step to requesting the My Express is easy. At the first, you just need to download the apps and then register a new account and just sign in into the system with the email address and the password. And then you can open the apps, and from the job list, the user can press on the button of accept and go to take the product where the customer want to drop the goods or the parcel to the receiver. And these apps I use the user location so that the driver can exactly know where to go to pick up the product of the customer. And the payment for the application can made by the online banking. Okay, now I'm going to present about the system that I have developed for which is the My Express. And now I'll open the application which is here, My Express. And this is the splash screen for the My Express driver. And after the splash screen, it will jump into the main page of the system, which is the first page, which will display the list of the jobs that had posted by the customer. And here is for the non-registered user page. And the second one is my pickup, and this is need to register to view the pickup job of the user. And the third one is about the profile, and because the user are not logged in yet or not registered for a new account, so this is not displayed for the profile picture. And now we are going to register for a new account. And if we click the register button, it will show up this dialog and ask the user to confirm to register a new account. Then we click the yes button, and then here will be the registration page, and the user can click the button here and choose either to use the camera to take the photo or take the photo from the gallery. And we choose the camera. Then we can take the photo. And then the photo will display here. And then you can write the name like, and then the email address. The password. The phone number. Then the radius of the job area, like the 15 kilometers, and the user can click to sign up, and this will show, and then it will look up the success at the bottom, and then it will show this dialog form to alert the user that there's successful register. And then An email will be sent to the user, and the user can use the email to activate the account. Okay, now I will show that the error that will be catched by the system during the registration process. And here is the registration form, and if we are not filling all the message or not filling any one of the message and we click up the sign up button, the error message will be shown here, like to ask and remind the user to enter the name, email, password, phone number, and the radius. And then now we try to key in the name. Then we key in the email. If the email we key in the wrong format, here the error message will shown is the email is not valid and ask the user to key in a correct email format, which is like this. Then the error message will be disappear, and the password is key in 1, 2, 3. But here we shown that the password must be at least 6 characters, so we have to add on more characters to more than 6 characters. So we click 4, 5, 6. Then for the phone number, okay, 0, 1, 2. And here we show that the phone number must be in the range of 10 to 11 digits. So we have to key in more. Okay. Then about the radius, please enter the radius lower than 15. So we key in 12. Then if we are fill in all message and click sign up, here we cannot sign up because of we haven't take the photo for the profile photo. So we click the button here and click camera. Then we're loading here. Then we can click capture button and click yes. Then here we show all the message, and then we can click sign up. Yeah, and then the registration successful message will be shown here. Then click OK. Then we'll jump back to the login page. For the user email for the registration part, and I will show here. And this is the email that sent from the My Express application to ask the user to activate the account. Then the user can click here, click the link, and then here will show a success. That means that the user had already activated the account. Then the user can go back to the application and log into the system. After the user register for the account and they activate the account, they can log in at the login page here, and they have to key in the email address they have registered and also the password. Then the user can either choose to remember me button to save the preference of the email and the password, and then they can click to sign in. And here will show the job list of the posted job from the user, from the customer. And the next is my pickup page, and here will be blank because of the user now not accept any job from the job list here. So we try to accept one from here, and we can click here, click the job item, and then it will show the job details here, which is the description and the price and the location. And then the user can click the button here, accept the job, to accept this job, and click yes button. And then will success. And then the job will disappear from the job list here because it is accepted by the user, and it will show here. Here is the job that accept from the job list, and at here the user can choose to modify the delivery status, which is like the default status is pending. So now the user, if the user or the driver has picked up the job, pick up the deliver parcel, and then they can set the new status for the delivery status. And like for example, it is delivering. Then click yes. Then the status will be changed here. And going out here and refresh again. And here also will be changed to delivering. And then for the third tab is about the profile. And the profile will show the profile pic of the user and the email address, the phone number, the radius, the credit, and the address. And the user can change the username here and the password, and also can change either the phone number at here or take again the new photo picture. And now I will describe for the change username first. Like the name now is Lim Xiang, and we change to Lim Xiang and click yes. And then refresh again. And here will be changed to Lim Xiang. Or we also can change the phone number of the user. Now, like click here and then change to 012345678 and click yes. And now the phone number will be updated, and we also can change the password here for the new password for login. Then that's all for the display of the interface of the system. And now I will ask for the buy credit function. And now we can click to the credit here, 99 credit. And then it will show this dialog, and then the user can select either how much they want to buy for the credit. For 50 credit is 10 ringgit and otherwise, and then we choose for 50 credits for 10 ringgit. And then we click yes. And the payment page will be shown here for a while. And the payment page will show here, like something like here. We will ask the user can choose either Maybank, Public Bank, IFB, and otherwise. And now we will choose for the bill fees. And then we pay. We will show the payment here. Either the user to choose the successful or failed payment, which is to success to pay for the credit, and click success. Then the receipt will be shown here. It means that the credit has successful to buy to bought. And then we can click back button back to the page here. Okay, about here is I will show the error message during the edit process. Well, now I try to edit the contact number, and if I am keying for 1, 2, 3 only, and then click yes, then here will show please enter correct phone number, and to ask the user to enter the correct phone number format, which is something like 1, 3, 4, 8, 6, 5, 9, 7. Then click yes. There is success. And then about the change username, and if I'm keying only 1 characters, then click yes. And here we show the name should be more than 5 characters. And so the next one is the password. If we key in the password in only 1, 2, 3 characters, They will show that the password is too short to ask the user to key in a long password. Okay, then that's all for the error catch message in the edit page. Okay, for the next one is about the forgot password. And if the user is forgot their password to log in into the system, they can click here, forgot password here, to reset their password, and display the page of the forgot password, and then the user may ask to enter the email address, and then the user can enter the email address here. Then they can click to verify the email, and the system will check for the validation of the email, if it is valid or invalid. After check, the system will ask the user to check the mailbox for the email of reset the password. Okay, then after they verify the email, the user can check for the email for the mailbox that about the message that received from the My Express to reset the password. And here is the message that sent from the My Express and ask the user to reset the password. And here we will show the new password and ask the user to using this password to log in into the system and change the password to another new password. Okay, now it's about the database of the system, and we have the three tables for the system, and the first is driver, the second is job, and the last one is payment. And for driver, and all the details here will be shown and saved after the user register for the account of the system. And just now we have registered for a new account is Lim Xiang at here. And then for the next one is about the jobs table. And here all the details here is the job that have posted by the customer, and they ask the driver to help them to deliver the products, and all details will be shown here. And then the third one is about the payment, and after the user make the payment for buying the credit, the data will be shown and saved and updated in here. And the latest data is about the happy hour, which is the Lim Xiang. We just now make the payment for the buying credit for 10 ringgit for 50 credit hour. So that's all for the table, the database, and also that is all the presentation for my Express. Thank you.